In an increasingly competitive e-commerce market, business intelligence tools are essential for any business that wants to stay ahead of competition. Business intelligence helps e-commerce shops increase their revenues by offering insights about their customers, business process optimization, and better inventory management. There are many questions an e-commerce manager has to ask himself. Which products sell best? Which products need an extra push to sell? Do I have sufficient inventory to meet the demand? Which campaigns are successful and which should I drop? How do my customers look like and where do they come from? And the list is endless. The best way to answer those questions is data. And as much as it helps, data comes with its challenges. It has to be up to date, otherwise it might become misleading. Raw databases might be incredibly complicated and normally require a skilled developer to extract information that you can understand and act upon. Data collection is a 24/7 job that requires monitoring your website situation in real time so you can react quickly to any anomaly detected. There is just too much responsibility in gathering, processing, and using data. Fortunately for you, we introduce Claro BI. Claro BI takes away all the stress and pain involved in data extraction, visualization, and monitoring in a very easy manner. E-commerce has never been easier. Let's start with the beginning. One of Claro BI's founding concepts was simplicity. You don't have to be a data scientist to use Claro BI. Let's take a short look on the main features of this platform. On the top bar, you can switch between multiple online stores you own. You can then generate custom reports for any specific period of time. The segment selector allows you to filter data based on specific criteria like customer location, order status, product category, or event product attributes. Segmentation allows you to drill on data for better insights, but let's leave that on the side for now. On the left sidebar, you will find the main section of the platform: sales, customers, and merchandise. Let's see what each can do. Generally, the sales section deals with orders and revenues. It provides you information about revenues, orders, acquisition, countries, and abandonments. You can also read an overview full of relevant information about the status of your business. You can drill in every information using segmentation for a more detailed understanding. Every e-commerce website should aim to better understand its customers. This is what the customers section is all about. Almost all the information about your customer can be accessed here. You can find information about where do your customers come from, what age and gender they are, at what state they are, how did they come on your page, what do they do, and many other relevant insights. The merchandise section deals with everything related to your products. Several KPIs are used to evaluate the situation of your business. Here, you can find more about how many items are sold every day, what's your conversion or add to cart rate, what's the average item price, and what are the best-selling items. You can also find information about your stock levels and get the system alert you when some of your products are close to running dry. This is just a quick peek inside Claro BI's features. To uncover the rest of the features and start increasing your revenues, don't wait any longer. Sign up for a free trial right now. You can find valuable information about incompleted or returned orders in the Buy Status dashboard, while the Orders List dashboard instantly provides a table with all your orders. The Acquisition dashboard will give you relevant insights about your active campaigns and provide mathematical measurements about revenues and orders. Your next step in e-commerce is Claro BI. Stay ahead of the market.